Okay, it's your boy Ven Perp, gonna make a beat on LMMS and hopefully screen capture is going to actually record my voice this time. Yeah, sorry if I sound annoyed, this is about the 5th time I've tried to do this for this video. So, what I've been trying to do is just make a beat using simple piano riff. Very simple piano riff. I'm not going to waste a lot of time because, like I said, I have attempted to do this about 5 times already. And, yeah, I don't know why Windows sometimes likes to be that way, but sometimes it do. But anyway, we already got piano roll open. For those of you new to LMMS, sorry. Here's all the samples. You just drag them over here. Here's the kit that I like to use. I just hit add steps, just right click anywhere right here, hit add steps 3 times and you will get 4 blocks of 16 like so. I leave my hi-hats there by default. You don't have to. So now onto the piano roll. So yeah, I don't have a MIDI, I'm just doing it on the laptop. So let's just do a little basic thing. Okay, that'll work. I'll probably have to clean it up, it's okay. Yep, it's all off, but that's alright. Oh yeah, because I didn't do a metronome. You should probably use a metronome, folks. Now you see how off it is. Okay. Now we'll go back and fix it together. How about that? Wonderful. Alright. Now let's double time that hi-hat. Just gonna hit the selection tool, select all of them, copy, paste, and then go back to the draw tool and drag it on over just like that. And this seems like a good time to show you the sample loop thingy. So here's the beginning of your sample, and this is your loop point right here. You're mostly going to want these lined up. I suppose there might be a time where you use that loop point to do something interesting, but I just lined it up right there at the beginning, and this time I want a very tight hi-hat sound, so I'm going to make the end loop point right about there. So now we got a very tight hi-hat. So now let's open up the 808, shall we? Let's see, where do I want to be? Oh, let me not get ahead of myself. Let's add some distortion to this 808 so all of you at home can hear it. I'm just using laptop speakers right now. You're not going to see the little pop-up come up with all the effects, but I'm just using a basic amp simulator. It's nothing special at all. And here it goes. There it is. Turn that drive up. I'm just going to back off on the treble because I like to keep that distorted 808 nice and warm. Put the amp simulator in front of our compressor because it wouldn't make any sense otherwise. I could do a video on that some other time. But let's keep it moving, shall we? So now, back to this. Not really, but it'll work. Okay. Yeah, I forgot. I gotta talk. Sorry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got a glitch. Is it gonna crash? Don't blame that on LMMS. Blame that on my laptop that probably has entirely too many PDFs and whatever on it. So we're just gonna put a snare on the 2 and the 4. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and fill in this little snare fill at the end here. Hopefully this isn't going too quickly for you, but this is about what I'm gonna want my kick drums at, and I just know about where to put them, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I figured this would be a good opportunity to tell everyone about tightening up your kick and snare. So you saw what I did with the hi-hat with the end points there. What you're going to want to do is go to the envelope, turn that amount all the way up, and release, sustain, and decay all the way down till you get a nice little box right there. Do that with your kick and your snare. Now we've got a beat. That's pretty much it. You can add more instruments from there, and all you got to do is just go to samples and pick this out. You know, say you want to drag this thing and you would just drag it over. I don't know why you would want that pattern in there, but you would just drag it over and it would be in there. But yeah, Ven Perp music streaming everywhere. If you dug this, hit like, subscribe. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments. Something I could talk about in another video. Something you think I should have covered in this video. Yeah, I think that'll about cover it. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.